No one can live without vitamin D. Vitamin D is activated by the sun that warms us and gives us life. But a new type of vitamin D has been just discovered in the Canary Islands. Vitamin D+. The first vitamin that is not only for you, but also for your business. A unique vitamin in the world that keeps your company growing and developing. D+ is only found in Canary Islands, a place with unique conditions to upgrade your project to the next level. D+ provides the ideal ecosystem for your business to show the most of it. Welcome to the Next Level Islands.